Okay, here we are, Castlewood Studios. I'm going to sing a song by the great Gordon Lightfoot. It's called In the Early Morning Rain.
In the early morning rain, with $1 in my hand and an aching in my heart, and my pockets full of sand, I'm a long ways from home, and I miss my loved ones so. In the early morning rain, with no place to go, out on runway number 9, take 707 set to go. Well, I'm stuck here on the grass, where the cold wind never blows, where the liquor tasted good, and the women all were fine. There she goes, my friend, she's rolling down the line. See the mighty engine roar, see the silver wing on high. She's away in western bound, high above the clouds she'll fly, where the morning rain don't fall and the sun always shines. She'll be flying o'er my home in about 3 hours' time. This old airport's got me down, it's no earthly good to me, but I'm stuck here on the ground, cold and drunk as I might be. You can't hop a jet plane like you can a freight train, so I pass me on my way in the early morning rain. You can't hop a jet plane like you can a freight train, so I pass me on my way in the early morning.